meet Naomi. Naomi is going to install the window lock on a window. Alright, Naomi, first grab the base and your pencil. Place it on the window. Okay, she's got her 2 holes marked. Go and get the drill. And go all the way through the plastic. Keep going. You have to go all the way through the plastic. Okay. Did you get all the way through?
Oh, I see metal.
Okay. Try the next hole. Okay. Alright. Got the 2 holes drilled. Check the base. The holes line up.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, now Naomi is going to put the screws in. There's one tight. There's 2 tight. So the 2 holes for the top. Oop. Hold it steady.
Maybe.
Okay, 1 hole. Okay, Naomi is using a screwdriver to get the screws started in place. Just it'll stay up there. You can just. That'll work. And now to tighten them up.
Hello.
Is it tight?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Put the lock in place.
Oops.
Oh, you gotta put both ends on at the same time.
Oh.
So you might have to lift up your window. Oh wait, there we go. There you go.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, close the door. Alright. Alright. And your lock is in place. Now, is it opened? Can we open the window? We can open the window. Now can we lock the window? Put it all the way open. All the way open. We lock the window. Just twist it. Now can you push it down? No.
No.
We can't push it down?
No.
You mean it's locked? Open?
Yeah.
It's locked open.
Yeah.
You've never seen a window lock open?
No.
That's a window lock.
Not that much open.
Not that much open. Alright. Okay, open the window. You can't, it's locked. Okay, so unlock it. Just twist it. You have to. There you go. Now you got your window open. I got a little opening down there. Okay, is it locked? Yeah, now it's locked. And you can't close it. And you can't open it anymore. Perfect. Thank you. You have to lift up a little bit. Twist it. Now push it down. And you can close the window all the way. Is that all the way closed?
Yeah.
Well, the top one's not. There we go. And we can lock the window down with the hatch.
With this?
No, not with that one.
With this?
Those ones. Huh? So now our window is locked in a closed position. Now, do we have other options of locking the window? I mean, can we have different heights?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's show that. So we have the window halfway open. We can go up a little bit. Lock it. Now, can we open? You can't open it anymore?
No.
It won't open anymore?
It won't even close either.
So the baby can't get out?
No.
The baby can't open the window any further? And you can't close it?
Nope.
So people can't close it and it won't fall down on baby's fingers?
Nope.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So that's on, but we have a problem. The top window can go all the way down. With ease. So, the window lock has a second part. And it locks the upper window in place.
Oh my goodness.
So they can't get access to the window lock.
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Yeah?
Mommy. Mommy.
Oh, umbrella? Are you turning it the wrong way?
Oh.
That would help.
Yeah.
Okay, now close the upper window all the way first before we lock that in place. Make sure it's all the way up. There you go.
Should I lock this?
Yeah.
It stays.
Now we'll tighten that one in place. Okay. Okay, just get them started.
Yeah.
No, what's the way?
Now we have a window with a secondary lock, so we can open the window. We can open.
This one?
We can close it. Just close it. She's okay. There's a screen there. You're not gonna pinch your fingers.
It's like really difficult to close.
We'll push on the other side here. You gotta make sure it's. There you go. See, it helps if you push evenly up.
No.
All right, now can you pull it down?
No.
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 Why? Because it's locked.
Yeah.
So we can't open that one, huh? Okay. So you have to close it all the way. And you have to pull this out a little bit and then pull this down. Now can you open it? Is it that easy?
Hi.
There you go. Now let's see if you can close it all the way using both sides of the window. Hey, and is it open? No.
No.
Perfect.